Welcome back here with Young Turks Transformers. It's now time for us to talk about a social entrepreneur whose organization Drishti is approaching the rural economy with a new vision. Satyan is not just connecting villages, he's also providing them with education and healthcare facilities. India has more than 6 lakh villages, which house 2/3 of its people but contribute just 1/3 of the national income. Meet Satyan Mishra, a man with a mission to create a more inclusive society. His vehicle for change is Drishti, a social entrepreneurship initiative. So Satyan left a career in finance to connect India village by village. Drishti today serves 1.5 million villagers across 12 states in India, bringing education, health, microfinance and training to their doorsteps.
We are presently working about 10,000 villages. We have a target of reaching to at least about 600,000 within India, and then take it beyond India to other places such as Africa, parts of Southeast Asia, Latin America. So the challenge is huge, and we are still very small in front of that. The team is a team of about 200 people today. We have with us out here, we have the way we are structured is like we have a corporate office, and then we have a field team. Field team starts from an area to a territory to a division and finally to a block. And what you see here is a part of a block. This village is a part of the block Farah in the division Mathura, which operates. And then we have a division commander who's leading the entire effort out here, and who is ably guided by a territory commander, and in turn being monitored by an area commander.
Drishti's kiosk programs include a variety of health-related services like health information and medical checkups. Drishti appoints women health franchisees like Shashi to look after a cluster of villages. Though not a doctor, these women have been trained by Drishti to handle basic emergency care and non-invasive diagnostic and path tests. These health franchisees are linked at the back end with a qualified doctor who visits once a week. So not only does Drishti look after a community's basic health needs, it also helps create entrepreneurs like Shashi.
पहले मैं घर पर कुछ नहीं करती थी, मैंने कंपनी ज्वाइन की, उन्होंने मुझे ट्रेनिंग दी, ट्रेनिंग के बाद मशीनें उपलब्ध कराईं जो मैंने घर में लगाईं, जिससे मैं गांव के लोगों का चेकअप करती हूं। चेकअप के बाद वे मुझसे दवाई भी ले जाते हैं, इससे गांव वालों को बहुत सुविधा हुई है और मुझे भी अच्छा लगता है। मेरी 15-20 मतलब 1-2 मरीज रोज आ जाता है, उसके बाद महीने में 1500 रुपए की आमदनी हो जाती है।
Winner of the Asia Techpreneur Award in 2006, Satyan also won the Red Herring 100 Asia Award the same year. Sitting on revenues of 4 crore rupees, Satyan is aiming to 9 crores this financial year. But the challenges are plenty.
The first challenge was the mindset. It was the mindset of villagers to a small extent, and the mindset of the outside stakeholders to a very large extent. It was practically difficult for us to even convince the most social corporate organization to come and work in the village with us. And then it was finance, obviously. It was like maybe it was a big challenge to source money, get venture capital funds, though it was venture capital was a buzzword at that point of time. But not many investors were willing to invest money, commercial money in the village. There were people who were willing to give grants, but we are not seeking grants. We are seeking hardcore money which was able to grow the capital and make businesses grow. So it was finance was the next one. We were running after electricity, connectivity, lot many other things, and then we realized that there is no point in running after them because we will not have them. So we have learned to live with such constraints.
So to shore up revenues and open up a distribution line to areas that have so far been neglected by organized retail, Drishti has tied up with wholesale suppliers for basic consumables like soaps, shampoo, eatables, mobile phones and recharge coupons. You can find these at existing Kirana shops. The products are loaded from Drishti centers and sent out to villages that they serve. But how do they make money?
We are targeting a 3,000 income household, 3,000 rupees per month income household, which is below the poverty line or just kind of maybe at the poverty line. And for that household, we know that they have a spend of almost about 1,500 out of the 3,000 on items where we can play a role. And when we say we, basically look at 3 or 4 different entrepreneurs who will be providing them different kinds of services. And for each service that is provided, there's a fee that they have to pay. It can range between, like for health, we are looking at they're presently spending about 100 to 200 rupees per month on health. So we are seeing as to how we can lower that spend from 200 to say 150 or 100 rupees. But out of that 100 that comes to the franchisee, we are expecting about 10 to 20%. That is the maximum expectation that we have. So from every household, our expectation is 10 to 20 rupees. We start off with 2 rupees, 3 rupees, and that is how we grow.
And that's not all. Drishti has also introduced the villages it services to computer and English education through its program SEEP or Center for Education and Entrepreneurship program to various villages. Improving access to information and knowledge by using IT as a tool for basic education, Drishti is hoping to cater to the unmet needs of India's illiterate millions.
My name is Evin and I want to be a computer engineer. It's my father's dream, and because Drishti Computer Center I have learned MS Excel, MS Paint, MS Windows and many other things.
हमने 1 महीना हुआ खुले हुए, तो हमारे यहाँ 10 स्टूडेंट्स की आ चुके हैं और उनके फॉर्म वगैरह रजिस्ट्रेशन हो चुके हैं और काफ़ी लोग मिलने भी आ रहे हैं अभी। और अगर मेरे यहाँ 25 या 30 स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं तो 25-30 स्टूडेंट्स में मैं इसे बड़ा रूप दूंगा, मतलब 10 कंप्यूटर्स, ऑफिस, लैब वगैरह सब टोटल में इसे दूंगा।
To generate employment for the local educated youth, Drishti has set up its BPO center at Sorath in Bihar and has plans to replicate the project in other locations, thereby aiming to reverse the tide of rural migration.
So now that you know Drishti and the work that we do, it is important for you to realize that even you have a role to play. Each one of us, if we decide, we can make every village in India self-sustainable. That's the goal that we have. That should be your goal as well. Come and join us, work with us and make things happen.
Well, more power to social entrepreneurs like Satyan. If you know of individuals who are helping make a difference, then write into us with their profiles to youngturks@in.com or youngturks@network18online.com. On that note, a quick commercial break, but if you're looking for an internship, then the next segment is just for you.